Welcome dear students, myself Purushottam Pathak. Today I will explain you chapter 11 of maths for standard 5 exercise 11.2. The chapter I will continue, that is average ratio and speed. In the exercise 11.2, look at the sums first. See in the one number sum. In the page number 177, see the consumption of rice per month for 5 months of the year for two families is given below. For the two families, consumption of rice is given, that is for the 5 months, April, May, June. April, May, June is not there, July, August and September, these 5 months are given there. And we are asked which family consumed more rice per month. See, to find out, we need to find out the average of both the families, compare them. We will get which family has consumed more rice. Average rice consumed per month. First, let us take by family A equals to, for the family A, we will take the sum of April, May, July, August and September. Those are given as in kilogram they are given. So I will put in the bracket to write the unit 28.0 plus 24.3 plus 30.5 plus 28.6 plus 25 kg. See how many months are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number of as 5 numbers are there, so we will divide them by 5. Take the sum. Decimal, after the decimal it is 6, 5, 11, 3, 14, 4, carry 1, 5, 1, 6, 6, 8, 14, 14, 0, 14, 4, 18, 18 and 8, 26, 6, carry 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 6, 3, 9, 2, 11 plus 2, 13, 136.4. Let us verify it. 0, 3, 5, 3, 8, 6, 14, 4, carry 1, 5, 1, 6, 8, 14, 14, 4, 18 and 8, 26, 6, carry 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 6, 3, 9, 2, 11 and 2, 13, 136.4 by 5. If you divide this much kg will be there. Kilogram is given there. Of course, this will come to divide them. You will get 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35, 1. So 5 2s are, before going to 2, we will put the decimal. 5 2s are 10 and 5 8s are 40. So 27.28 kg. We got here, that is average of family A. Similarly, average rice consumption per month by family B. This will be similar to previous one. We will take the sum 27.4 plus 29.1 plus 27.5 plus 30 plus 25.6. Of course, after the bracket we will put kg by, once again there are number of months are 5, so we will take 5. Now take the sum very similar to the previous one. 6, 5, 11, 11, 1, 12, 12, 4, 15, 5, carry 1, 5, 1, 6, 6, 0, 6, 7, 13, 13 and 9, 22, 22 and 7, 29, 9, carry 2, 2, 2, 4, 3, 7, 2, 9, 2, 11, 2, 13, 139.5 by 5 kg. And if you divide this number by 5, you will get 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35, 5 9s are 45. So 27.9 kg. See, to clarify or write up the last statement now as which family consumed more rice per month. Let me rub the first portion. We can write here, for the family A we have got 27.28 kg and for the family B we have got 27.9 kg. Clearly 27.9 is greater than 27.28, hence family B. Of course this belongs to family B, so family B consumed more rice. More rice, if it is asked as per month, we can write per month. More rice per month. In this way you can solve the sums of this chapter. See, look at the two numbers sum first. There are 4 and 5 offices. There are 4 and 5 offices in 2 companies. For the first company, the salaries of the officers are given. For the second company also salaries of officers are given. We need to find out which company pays better salary. Compare the average of both the salary. Find out the average of salary for the first company, for the second company, and then divide them by given numbers. For the first you will divide by 4, for the second you will divide by 5. Now compare the quantities, whichever is greater. In the 3 numbers, the age, height and weight chart of 5 students is given. 5 students, age is given, height is given and weight is also given. Find the average age, height and weight. I don't think that you will find this difficult, because only you need to find the age of, average of ages, average of heights and average of weights. Do it yourself. In the 4 numbers, the marks of 20 students of class 5 in maths test are given below. Let me look at the questions. Find the average marks covered by the students of class 5. Take the sum, divide the numbers, count up the numbers, how many numbers are there, and divide them. Find out the average as I had taught you. How many students scored more than the average marks? Once you get the average, thereafter you will compare the marks of the students by that average. If students had secured greater marks or larger than the average marks, count up the number of those students and write up. Of course you will find it easy. Equal to the average marks, that also you can find, and less than the average marks you will find easy to 4 number. Come to the 5 number. In the tournament, West Indies team scored 215, 185, 252 and 209 runs. In the same tournament, Australian team scored 209, 218, 236 and 148 runs. Which team's performance was better? Once again you need to find the average of both the teams. Compare them as I had compared in the first sum here. Very similar to this one. Up to 5 number you can go for. 6 number is also similar. 7 also. Yeah, in the 7 number you need some help. Let me clarify the 7 number. See, in the 7 number sum, find the average of 10 numbers. You are asked to find the average of 10 numbers. The average of first 6 number is 15. So the sum of 6 numbers will be, the sum is given as 15. 15 into 6. Of course you got 90 here. Similarly, the sum of 4 numbers are also given there. Let us see. The sum of 4 numbers is 18. So into 4 it will be 72. Hence the average of 10 numbers equals to, see, the sum of 6 number you got, sum of 4 number you got. If you find the sum of both the sums and divide them by 10, you will get the average 90 plus 72. This became the sum of 10 numbers, and divide this number by 10. 90 plus 72, that is 162 by 10. If you go to find this number in terms of decimal, you will get 16.2. In this way you can solve the remaining sums also. Let me go through the remaining sums also. Yeah, if you use this formula, the sum of the numbers is found by multiplying the average by that number, then you can solve the remaining sums also. Is very easy sums. Next sums are easier. You can find yourself. Go for the sums. And in the next class, I will explain you the ratio also. Thank you very much.